Hey coders, welcome back to Coding Hub, and in this video, we'll be learning how to set up our IntelliJ IDE. With this, we'll be also setting up our Java JDK so we can start writing our Java code and we can run and compile our Java code in our system. So what you have to do, you have to simply open any of your browser. I'll be opening my Chrome browser, and then you can simply search for IntelliJ. Now, after searching for this IntelliJ, you'll be finding out this website. You have to click on this. Now, navigate to this download button. After this, you'll be seeing this two version, which is basically IntelliJ IDE Ultimate, and this is IntelliJ IDE Community Edition. Now, Community Edition is basically having limited features, but it is free, while this IntelliJ IDE Ultimate is basically a paid version, which is provided by, JetBrains. Now we will be basically downloading this limited version because it is sufficient for us. So we can click on this download button, and after clicking on this, your download will start. So I have already downloaded this, so I will just click on this cancel button for now. Now the next thing will be that we have to search for Amazon Corretto, and in this Amazon Corretto, you will be finding out this website, which is Open JDK Download Corretto AWS. Click on this. Now you'll be finding out this different versions 8, 11, 17, 21. They are basically representing the JDK version, and we'll be basically downloading the latest one, which is download Amazon Corretto 21. So click on this. Now after this, upon your system OS, you can choose the preferred one. As we are basically installing it on Windows, I'll be suggesting you go with this Windows x64, and in this you have to click on this, which is jdk.msi. So click on this and your download will start. So I have also downloaded this. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this Amazon Corretto, which you have recently downloaded. Click on this. Now you'll find out this dialog box. Click on this next button. Now there will be few of the things like setup environment Corretto, and let it as it is basically, and this is the installation location. Now click on this next, click on this install. Now it will basically ask you for the permission, give it yes, and it will take some time for the installation, and the installation is finished. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to come over this download button and you can click on this IntelliC now, okay, which is basically our IntelliJ IDE. Wait for some time to load it. Click on this yes button. Now click on this next, click on this next. After selecting the installation folder, leave it as it is if you are new. Now click on this next, and then you can basically select the different things like, we want to create a desktop shortcut. Then the next thing is that you can update the path variable. I will be doing that too also, and I'll be selecting all of this associations, which are basically Gradle, Groovy, KT, KTS, and POM, okay, and Java, okay. Now we can click on this next. Now click on this install button. Now it will extract the files and install, our IDE. It will take some time, so we will be basically fast forwarding this video. Okay, now you can, reboot your system, but I will leave it as I want to manually reboot later. Click on this finish button. Now close this, close your browser and open your IntelliJ IDE. Now you have to basically, you have to restart your system, but I'm not doing it for now. And then if you have already installed the IntelliJ IDE, then you'll be seeing this message, but now I will be not importing any of my previous settings. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click on this new project, and you'll be able to see your JDK version, which is 21, and you can see this Amazon Corretto version 21.0.2, right? Now you have to select the language. I will be selecting Java, and then you have to, select the build system, which will be basically IntelliJ, okay? Now you can name your project, we can say first project, okay? And then we can click on this create button. Now wait for some time. Okay, now you will be loaded out with this main.java, and you'll be also finding out the structure, which is by default created by IntelliJ IDE. Now you will be seeing this, the ID has detected Microsoft Defender. So click on this automatically and allow this permission. Okay, now you'll be seeing a few of these things, right? So it is basically helping us to understand more about this. So what it is saying is that to run the code, you can either press Shift plus F10 or you can click on this run button. Okay, now to see error or highlight, you can basically, press Alt Enter and you will be able to see the problem or the suggestion which is by default provided by IntelliJ. Like here, it is basically printf, while it should be print, right? Now, after this, you can also see that, to start debugging, we have to set this breakpoint. Now, we can set this breakpoint by clicking on this. So like we have undo the breakpoint. Now we can also set it again. Okay, so we can set any of this line as a breakpoint, okay, by simply clicking on this. Now, what we'll be doing, we'll be basically running this class main over here. So let us run this. And finally, we were able to run our Java code. And over here, we are basically having a system.out.println, which is basically saying hello and welcome. And then we are basically having a for loop, which is basically printing the value of I from 1 to 5. Okay. So this is how we basically install JDK. With this, we have also learned how to install the IntelliJ IDE. And from the next video, we'll be deep diving into Java. For now, what you have to do, you have to simply subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos from us. Till then, have a great coding journey ahead. This is Coding Up, signing off for this video. We'll be meeting soon.